Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your account and immediate options. Open Spotify account settings and check whether you're on free. Once done, review available plans, solo, duo, family, or student, and the monthly price. You do this because the only fully supported way to remove ads is a premium subscription. It's legal, reliable, and works across devices. Next, make sure a valid payment method is ready so the upgrade completes without interruption, and choose the plan that best fits shared device use or cost splitting. After choosing a plan, purchase premium through the Spotify web checkout or official app. Once purchased, Spotify propagates the ad-free entitlements to your account. Sign out everywhere and then sign in only on your devices to force a refresh. This clears cached free mode tokens. Then enable offline downloads for playlists you want ad-free and make sure no simultaneous streams exceed the plan limits, which can trigger playback issues. These steps ensure every device recognizes the upgrade and stops serving ads. Finish by restarting the Spotify app and your device to clear residual cache settings. If ads still appear, check Account Overview to confirm the premium billing transaction processed. Make sure your subscription matches the account you're logged into, because multiple accounts often cause unexpected ads. If problems persist, reinstall the app to remove corrupted cache, and if that fails, contact Spotify support with a screenshot of your plan and receipt so they can resolve entitlement issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.